Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Now, do you find yourself in winning trades asking yourself, should you take profits right now while the market is still trading at all-time highs? Now, one of the pivotal, decision points or data points that you're going to take into consideration is market timing, or you should be, right? Definitely, this as a VectorVest subscriber. So we're going to utilize the VectorVest 7 system, see what our market timing signals are trying to tell us, take a look at some of the major indices that many of you are familiar with, along with our broad market VectorVest composite. So if you want to stay on the right side of the trades, and more importantly, on the right side of the market, stay tuned. All right, big event coming up. We got the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar coming September 20th, 21st, 2025. You can achieve the VIP experience in person. Just go to VectorVest.com/Vegas to register now. All right, here's the homepage of the VectorVest 7 software. The homepage focuses mainly on market timing. You see the major indices here in the top left corner, along with the VVC or VectorVest composite. This is how we track the overall broad market movement. Now, look at the color guard, right? Not looking too bullish. It's very simple. Green indicates that those proprietary indicators are trending up on a day-over-day and day-over-week basis, while red indicates that they're trending lower from the prior day or lower from 5 days ago. In addition to that, you can see our confirmed down signal is currently flashing right now. This is our more conservative market timing signal. Our fastest moving signal, the primary wave, which is more for active traders, has been down for quite some time. This column here, the call column, this is our more conservative market timing signal. Capture the big movements of the market. Been in a confirmed up signal for quite some time now, but as you just saw, is flashing down at this time. Along with that, the primary wave, this is our fastest moving market timing signal at a pretty pivotal moment as well, flashing along with that confirmed call market timing signal. But indecision in the market. So let's take a look at the market timing graph to give you a better overall representation of this information and show you the power of the VectorVest 7 software with our market timing signals. If you're not a subscriber, just go to VectorVest.com/YT. You can take out a trial for 30 days, less than $10. So check it out if you see the power of the software here. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Now, again, if you find yourself in winning trades but end up being losers in the long run, market timing might be playing a pivotal role in that. The DEW signal that we offer here at VectorVest, mostly utilized by swing traders. You can see it captures the big movements in the market down signal as early as February 21st with an entry signal coming in at April 23rd. But recently we did get a down signal just a few trading days ago on the 1st of August, the first trading day of this month. The reason why? Because price action dropped below this 30-day weighted moving average, the white line here. And on top of that, the DPO or detrended price oscillator ended up in negative territory, triggering a down signal. We see the DPO did bounce back up. The DPO bounced back into positive territory, but losing that ground again back in negative territory at 0.18. First preliminary down signal right before the holidays coming in December 10th. On top of that, you can see price action of the broad market hitting a low back in April. A lot of that obviously caused by the uncertainty with everything going on with the tariffs. The confirmed call went back up as early as May 12th, letting more conservative investors know that it's okay to enter the markets. Now down below, we do have our proprietary signals. If we get rid of MTI and the BSR, zoom in more to a 3-month time span, we notice that the BSR has dropped below the oscillation point of 1, now in unfavorable territory at 0.97. With BSR below 1 right now, it is possible to get a confirmed down situation. So the confirmed call is determined by week over week movement of the VectorVest composite for 2 consecutive weeks. So we're on the verge of that right now. So again, just putting out a warning sign, especially if you don't focus on market timing. So if you want to learn more how to take advantage of our proprietary indicators, just go to VectorVest.com/YT. So now we've moved over to the viewers part of the program, came over to the watch list viewer, found the ETF watch list folder, an excellent breakdown of the ETFs in the market. Right now, we're looking at index ETFs Contra. You can see all of them in positive territory right now. So let's take a look at the charts and see if these trades are making sense. First up, DKD, this is ultra short Dow 30. Big body candlestick today engulfing the 2 prior candlesticks. I do like this retest on the 20-day EMA price action moving back to the upside. Now to help capture momentum, you can always use a 3 EMA here. You can see price action as of right now, even remaining above the 3-day EMA. For a more technical outlook and look for momentum, especially with shorting the market with Contra ETFs, we utilize star search. This technique will use two sets of Bollinger Bands. The first one set here by the yellow, the outer set, which is standard deviation of 3, being the white band here. You want price action above this upper yellow line, essentially creating a fast lane. When price action gets up here, typically creates a sense of momentum. We saw that momentum last time when it created the fast lane here. But this time, look at the DPO finally going into positive territory, giving a little bit of extra sentiment for the bears right now when it comes to Contra ETFs. Here is another one, Ultra Pro Short Dow 30. We see big body candlestick today. DPO going into positive territory. So some early trade setups or some early inclination of bearish sentiment in the overall market. Here's ProShare short the 500. This is S&P 500 Contra ETF here. Still in between decision or confirmation, not there when it comes to the star search layout. So again, with our market timing signals beginning to turn to the downside. On top of that, the confirmed situation flashing down as of right now on the home page. So just want to put this information in front of you and showing you some Contra ETFs. And these Contra ETFs, at least for traders, are showing some early opportunities when it becomes being bearish in the market. Again, my name is Ryan. Hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation. If you did, hit the like button. If you learned something today and you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow evening. By an overwhelming demand, I wanted to give you an update on Glenn as he recovers from his stroke back in June. He is in rehabilitation right now, regaining his strength. Glenn is a fighter. VectorVest has teamed up with his family to put together a GoFundMe account since there's been an overwhelming demand on how people can assist and help Glenn and his family during this time. If you wish to help, just go to www.vectorvest.com/Glenn.